First, you open your mail app, and then you open up your all inboxes. As you can see there, you can just click on the search button, and then you can begin searching for whatever you need or want. You can also search with the sender's email, or you can also search with the subject. As you can see right there, I'm searching for Apple. I'm searching for email that came from Apple, because you can see there from to, and you can also search the message that's contained in email. And I tried searching using the form, but it doesn't work. You actually have to put the name of the sender, and then you can actually proc the from Alexander right there.